Okay, right now what I'm doing is I'm building this little power box control module, weather type box I bought for this Axetracker, and I'm going to attach this board here with just regular common double-sided tape that you can get anywhere. And of course I moved everything, and I'm just using a piece of foam that I got in packing material that fits this box, that board rather, and that double-sided tape sticks very well to that piece of foam, and it sticks well to the circuit board, and it insulates any damage happening by that touching any metal, so that's kind of important. Alright, that's that so far. Alright, I'm just showing, I'm moving along here. I got the back of the circuit board taped up. As you can see, the little electronic pins stick through, which is why you want to not hook that to a piece of metal. There's my little piece of foam. And then, here's my beloved little paint sticks. Actually, this one's not a paint stick. I think it's a yardstick that came from Wallmart, and I paid for like $1 for it. So I'm cheap. And I took this Axetracker, and that's not my old New England accent I can't get rid of. That's what it says. Axetracker. I drilled 2 little holes in it, and then the holes mounted to these holes here. Hope I'm not messing this up too bad. And it says, see how that sticks out? It asks you to mount this on the upper eastern part of your tracker or solar panel. So that's how it's coming along so far. Okay, here's another little update on the wires. I got this wire at Home Depot. It's got 7 strands, and it's got a little brown one here, like my finger is, that I cut off. I thought it was a ground wire, but it's a brown wire. Anyway, you need 6 wires, because there's 6 connections. So I chose white, blue, red, orange, yellow, and green. Now I'm going to make them go up into that box. And then the other end, about 8 feet of it, is going to come down and plug into here. Okay. Alright, here's a quick update of where I've got so far. Here's the little remote sensor. I've got it all wired up. And it's my wire I got at Home Depot. There's a little bracket. I've already been outside in this ridiculous heat. I drilled the holes in the panel. That's all set. About 10 feet of wire. The little box is coming along quite nicely. I drilled a little hole in each side and put some little grommets from my Harbor Freight grommet kit. I'm about to pull out these LEDs and hook this wire to it. And then on the other side here, there'll be a wire going out to control the actuator. And then underneath, I've got the auto manual switch, and then the manual east-west momentary switch. So this little box is working out pretty good. Okay. Okay, real quick, I just took this east LED out, and now I'm going to install the white and red wire in its place, just to give you an idea how that goes. Right, I'm almost ready to go outside. Here in the notes it said be sure to hook up a 10 amp fuse. Well, what I like to do to be safe, I'm going to put a 7.5 coming in, and then run my 2 relay wires, power wires in, and 2 motor wires coming out. And I'm going to hook that to the little clear box. And then we're going to go outside and hook this baby up. Alright, believe it or not, 4.5 hours later, the box is all put together. I'll close the lid so you can see what it'll be like inside. The switches. Okay, it's time to go outside and mount it up. Hooray, hooray. Okay, I had the wires on the actuator the wrong way. Right now I have it hooked up in the manual mode. You can see the little LED on top. The west one will turn on when I hit it to west. It's going west, that little red LED, see? Now I'm going to go east, the red one on the bottom will come on. Okay, now I want to flip it over to manual. And this little light right, automatic, that little light right there should come on, and she should head west. There it goes. Green light going west. Well, stopped. How about that? Okay, well there you have it. It's up and running. That little box went out pretty damn slick. I think I'm going to call it quits for today because there's about 100 outside and I'm beat. Anyway, it's working. That's it. Installation complete. It's a pretty neat little unit.